Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Finally. Okay, I had some issue there.
What's going on in Omega? There's a lot of people.
There is a party there.
Yeah, we're getting momentum. Okay, let me share my screen here. Is this quant review call agenda the one you were working on, Zep?
I don't think so. I'm using the one from the chat, like we have with Christopher, you, and Mitch. And then I'm having a call on Thursday after the community call, just to put the feedback there. No, this is totally different thing. This is creating an agenda. What I'm doing is gathering feedback from quantifiers.
Well, I think this is pretty much this tweak sessions, I think.
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay, and then there is the meeting tracker bot. I think Phi is not here. Does anyone has any updates on that? And Mateo is also not here with the next steps for us to decide the source cred parameters. Are we still having this call tomorrow? We should check it here.
I'd guess yes. No? After the community call.
But after the community call, wasn't it the one you were planning, Zeptins?
Yeah, it's the price inside. Last week we did it before the community call, but there is an empty space there.
Is there anything you need for this call tomorrow?
No, I'm planning just on, we have 5 questions, and then maybe doing a couple of rounds with people who's showing up, and then just typing what they say, and then give it to Christopher, you, and Mitch to review.
Cool. And did some people confirm already? Do we have?
Yeah, and there was actually miss. Like I put 9 a.m. on the doodle, and then 5 people confirm, and then someone say, "Oh, it's a.m." and then I said it's after the community call, and I got like 6 thumbs up. But yeah, and also actually we can also encourage like it's also strategic after the community call, because we can encourage people who's in the community call and it's a quantifier to just stay 1 more hour.
Yeah, that's great. Cool. So everything is good for that. And Nugget, do you have any updates?
Yeah, well, I've been reviewing this issue we had with the praise not getting counted that Juanca mentioned, and And well, it seems that it actually was being counted, most of it. So, for example, the messages that Juanca complained about were actually being registered, so the bug was more on the side of the bot not reacting, even though it had saved the stuff. And there were some other minor things there, but nothing that actually affected the saving. The only exception, which I talked to Acid Laser about already, is that one of his messages wasn't caught for some reason. Every other message which I saw that didn't get checked was because the person didn't have the praise giver role or something like that. So I'm going to look a bit into that a bit more in detail. I'm talking with Vi there. But for now, it seems that if there were some issues, they were very, very minor. Like, I'm talking out of the 5,000 praise from November till January, there seems to be one which I can't really explain. So probably there isn't any need to make any adjustments at that, or just very small ones. But it's still a work in progress there.
Wow, that's crazy. So just a random one, like one that you weren't even expecting. Is this the issue for that? Review play channel message?
Yes, it is. Yeah, that one is, yes. It's still in progress, but it seems to be significantly less than expected.
And there's no, like, we don't know the reason, kind of random.
No, that's I wanted to look a bit more in detail if I find more and why this happened. I actually asked Acid Laser because the message was edited, so maybe the thing of editing the message was something that made it happen, but I'm not sure. So yeah.
Yeah, I remember that day, but I don't remember what was the thing I edited. So, but I remember that Juanca also his praise didn't get the check emoji, but Nogan said that his praise it was complete, right? Just mine is the bug.
Yeah, exactly. Juanca's praise, for some strange reason, a lot of Juanca's praise in particular wasn't getting the check, but it was always being saved. And yeah, I tried for myself in the praise channel, like writing a praise without a username and editing and adding the username after, and that didn't get caught by the praise bot. That's why I asked. But I did get a message from the praise bot saying that the praise was wrong. So I have to talk to Vive if it's something that got added later, or just focus in a bit on that. But for now, it seems that the issue is minor. So that's good.
Okay, that's great. Wow, that was a lot of work. I'm so happy for you that it's ending. And was this issue of the check mark not coming in, was this solved, or is this something that still needs to be solved?
Well, the thing is, since ViveIV is making a whole new bot with the new bot, we would expect that it doesn't happen anymore because we're using the /comment bots from Discord. But in any case, since we're going to stop using that bot, we don't need to change it since we are leaving it.
Okay, awesome. Should I close this issue, or there's still more work to go into it?
Leave it open for now, but I think we can close it soon.
Nice. Okay. Well, I don't know if there's anyone else in this call that can give any updates, right? I'll try to check in with Vi and with Mateo, so we can move forward with the source CRUD configuration and see how all the bots are going. And then we'll have the session tomorrow. And I don't think we have a new session scheduled. Do we? Does somebody know?
I don't think so. At least not in the TC calendar.
Okay. Is there
So-
anything someone wants to bring up?
Yeah, so just, I think I missed it. So do we have a meeting tomorrow before the community call or not?
I think since it's not in the calendar right now, and we'll have one right after. I mean, the one after is mostly for quantifiers, but let me write in the channel and see what Mateo is planning.
Okay, great.
And I think from last week, what we stand on was that we needed more information from the source cred team.
Yeah.
So I don't know how he's doing with that, if he talked to people or not, if we are like good to move forward.
Okay, then let's just wait what he sees, see what he says.
All right, so I think this was our very short meeting.